Hello K2! We will start our class today with our song, Good Morning. Let's stand up and sing.
Good morning song.
Good morning, good morning. We are ready to start a new day. We are ready to listen and work and have fun today. One more time. Good morning, good morning. We are ready to start a new day. We are ready to listen and work and have fun today. We are still in our theme, my feelings. My feelings. Do you still remember what feelings are that we have learned? Okay, I will do the motion and you will guess. What feelings is that? Scared, yes. How about this? What is that? Amazed, good. And how about this? Yes, sad. How about this? What is that? Excited, good. So you've known already the feelings are, but today, we will learn a new. But today, what are we going to learn? Can you guess? Okay, we will sing first. Look and point, new things to think about. Look and point, new things to talk about. Look and smile, are you ready? Let's have fun, fun with letter and sounds. Yay! Yeah, we will learn about letters and sounds. Okay, take a look of this on your book, page 17. This is the letter of L. L. But the sound is O. Lion. O. Lollipop. O. Lamb. And then how about this? This is the sound of this is the letter of P, but the sound is P. P. So this is the upper case, this is the lower case. Huruf besar dan huruf kecil. P. Pencil. P. Pizza. That's the sound. Then this is the letter of T, but the sound is T. Telephone. T. Toothbrush. T. Tiger. Okay? The upper case and the lower case. This is the letter of E, but the sound is A. A. Envelope. Egg. Elephant. Okay, so you will listen up to the sound I will send you. Nanti Miss Lina kirim suara. And you will cross out which one is not belongs to O sound, P sound, T sound, or sound. Nanti anak-anak silakan silang yang tidak dimulai dari ini soundnya. O, P, T, ya. Pilih di sini mana yang harus disilang, di sini, di sini, di sini. Okay? And then after that, you will move to page 18 and you will do cut out and paste. You can cut out here. Here from page 111, and then you will stick according to the sound. Okay? and then you will send me this picture and also the sound, the voice record ya. Nanti anak-anak kirim suara juga menyebutkan ini. Example, lion, lollipop, okay? And then etc. Jadi Miss Rina tunggu 2 tugas itu ya. Okay, we will end our class. We will sing our goodbye song. Goodbye teacher, goodbye friends, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Bye K2, God bless you.